Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use DeepSeek chat with a VPN and what is the best VPN for DeepSeek chat. Alright, so if you want to use DeepSeek chat using a VPN, so you want to make sure that they do not track you, then here's how to do it. And based on my opinion, the best VPN is ExpressVPN. It's one of the most reliable VPNs out there, and one of the advantages of using ExpressVPN is that they have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you use the link in the description below, you can open up this page and click on try ExpressVPN risk-free, and you can get any package, and if you cancel within 30 days then you can get your money back. And once you sign up for ExpressVPN, all you have to do is download the ExpressVPN to Mac, PC, or to your phone. It also works for your phone as well. And then change your location here and connect to a location. In this case, I changed my location to Hong Kong because it's part of China, and there are some rumors that DeepSeek chat, because it's a Chinese company, works better and faster and without any issues in China. So this is the reason I changed it to Hong Kong. And now if we go back to DeepSeek chat, then you can use DeepSeek chat the same way as you do without a VPN. So let's add a message. So let's say I want to write a blog post on affiliate marketing. So let's write a blog post on how to make money with affiliate marketing. Then click on the send message button, and let's see if it is able to work when using a VPN. And here you go. As you can see, we have received a great article from DeepSeek chat, how to make money with affiliate marketing, a step-by-step guide. Here is the article, as you can see, and we get some nice steps. So find affiliate programs, build your platform, create high quality content. So it's a really nice article with a one-shot prompt. So as you can see, DeepSeek chat works great with ExpressVPN. As I mentioned, you can get a 30-day risk-free free trial with ExpressVPN. I will link it in the description below so you can check it out. But all in all, this how you can use DeepSeek chat with a VPN. And here's how you can try out ExpressVPN for free for 30 days.